Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today in this video we will see the concept of string. String is a group of characters. So in string we have built-in methods. We will see one by one. First one is length of s. It will give the length of the word. For example, if s equal to Hyderabad, this is the string we have assigned to s variable. Now we want how many characters in that word. So we use length of s. This is inbuilt method. Length of s, it will give how many characters present in that word. I will copy this and I will open another notepad and paste that code here. Click on file, click on save as, give any name, .py. Python file should be saved with the extension .py. So file name .py, enter, save. Yeah, file is saved. Now we need to execute this program by using command prompt. So open cmd, enter. This is the command prompt. Now we need to give path. So cd space desktop, enter, dictionary dir, string.py, enter. See, we got 9. Total number of characters in this word is 9. So length of s. To find characters in the given word, we use length of s method. This is built-in method given by the Python. Now we will see another program. And we have upper method. Copy this and paste here. We will see all the methods one by one. Save. Now execute this program in the command prompt. So string.py, enter. See, we are getting all the characters in that string, all capital letters in this format. Copy this, paste. This is the output. We have given all the characters in that string, all small letters. But by using this upper method, we got all the characters changed to upper letters. In this way, we use this upper method. And also we have lower method. We will copy this code and I will paste this here and save. Now execute this program. String.py. See, we are getting Hyderabad. First, suppose if I give like this, all capital letters, save, string.py, enter. See, we are getting in the form of small letters. This is the output. If we have given capital letters in the string, we want to change it to lower letters. So we use lower method. In this format, we can change capital letters to lowercase letters. Now we will see another method. We will see this. Copy and paste here and save. Now execute in the command prompt. So string.py. See, we are getting Hyderabad. Copy this and paste here. See, Hyderabad. Capitalize means first letter of that string, first letter of that word. We are changing it to capital letters. This is the capitalized method. Now we will see another method. These are simple methods we can easily understand. We will use these methods while coding different programs. So now copy this and paste here. Save. This is the title method. Now string.py, enter. Copy output and paste here. You can see here This is the string we have given, State Bank of Hyderabad. Here in the word state, S is small letter, but by using title we are changing that S to capital. And here bank, B is small letter, but we are changing it to B, bank, capital letter. Means first letter of that string of every word it is changing to capital letter by using title method. In this way we can change. And now we'll see another method. Copy this and paste here and save. Now open command prompt to execute. Enter. See 6. This is the index method. We want index of bad. So index starts from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. So H0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the sixth letter, in the sixth index, we are getting bad. So it is giving index as 6. This is the index method. And we will see another method now. Copy this. This is also index. Copy paste. Yeah, save. Now open command prompt and enter file name. Enter C6. It is giving the index of the letter B. Already in previous program we already seen. This is 0. Index starts from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the index of B. So index of B, it will give index at the B letter. So we got 6 as the output. In this way we can get the index of that string. Now we will see this. Write index. Copy. Paste here. String.py 8. We are getting 8. Write index. This is the letter D. We are getting that index. So this is right index. We are getting 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is the index of B. And we'll see now this code. Printing I character indexes. By using this program, we need to find the I value, I indexes. Here, this is the string MISSI We have to find the I index of each place in this character, in this string. So copy this code and paste here. Save. Now open command prompt and type string.py. See, these are the indexes of I. Indexes start from 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, Y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So index 1, index 4, index 7 and index 10. We are getting I indexes of I. This is the code. Now we will see another one. This is the same program, index of given character. Here also we are finding the index of I. In this program we are finding index of S. So copy this. Paste here. string dot string.py, enter. This is the output. Copy this and paste here. Yeah, this is the output and this is the code. Here we are giving the word, the string Mississippi. In that we need to find the character S indexes. So we are getting all the S indexes. See, 0, 1, 2, 3. In the place of 2 and 3 we have S. So it is placing 2, 3, 5, 6 are the indexes of S. And later on we are printing S3 of 5. Here at the fifth index we want the character. So we are printing by using index value. So we are getting S as the character at that index. In this way we can print index and we can print the value of the index by using this character. I hope everyone clear with this built-in methods. If you have any questions, please comment down below. We have so many other methods. We will see other methods in further videos. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep coding.